Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by aligning the basics quickly. Turn on Bluetooth and make both devices discoverable, because paired but hidden devices still limit negotiation. Once done, disable battery saver and any data-restricting profiles so radios run at full power. Make sure both devices are charged above 30% to keep transmitters at peak output. Finally, position them within 1 to 3 meters in a clear line of sight. This reduces retransmits and raises effective throughput, so transfers begin with the best possible link quality. Now optimize the connection itself by choosing the fastest available protocols and settings. Pair using the newest Bluetooth version both devices support, since newer links negotiate higher data rates and better error correction. Use a dedicated file transfer app or a profile like Obex FTP rather than generic sharing, because the implementation affects packet sizes and throughput. If you notice interference, temporarily disable 4 GHz Wi-Fi or shift the router channel, since crowded spectrum forces retransmits and kill. Begin the transfer by batching or compressing multiple small files into a single archive. Fewer packets mean less protocol overhead and faster completion. While transferring, close background apps and pause cloud syncs to free CPU and I/O on both ends, which improves sustained throughput. Once complete, verify file integrity and then re-enable normal settings. If you still get slow speeds, reboot both Bluetooth radios, unpair and repair devices, and test with a different device to isolate whether hardware, software, or environment is the bottleneck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.